Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. You stopped here for a reason, probably because you like salmon. Let me tell you something. I never liked salmon until I came across this recipe. And my kids love this. So we're gonna do it on the grill, but you could do it in the oven on the the off seasons when you're not grilling. If you're gonna use the oven, just put it at 350. But yeah, so this is what you're gonna need. Okay, so what I have here is about 1.5 pounds of salmon fillets, and you're also gonna need 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup of soy sauce. If you want to use low sodium, that's fine. 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and about I think it's about a teaspoon. I just grated it, I didn't measure it. So about a teaspoon of fresh ginger. If you don't like the ginger, omit it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add all these ingredients. Soy sauce, the water, the brown sugar, the vegetable oil, and the ginger. We're going to mix this up, and we're going to put the salmon in a baggie, and then put the marinade in it, and we're going to put it in the fridge for about an hour before we grill it. And I did rinse them. Now we add that marinade. Try to get the air out. Zip it. I think I'm going to rinse this and then put it in here, and then put it in the fridge. You know, every once in a while, over the course of the hour, you can go in and slosh it around to make sure it's all covered, and just slosh it around, and it'll go in the fridge. And after an hour, you take it out of the fridge. All right, so I'm gonna use one of these disposable trays, and I'm gonna set the salmon on there, skin side down. Sprinkle some lemon pepper, and this is going to go out on the grill. I've got the grill preheating. I've got half the burners on. Okay, so we have it on the grill. Indirect heat on that disposable grilling pan. It's gonna go, I don't know, till it's cooked. Could be probably about 30 minutes, because it's indirect heat. Okay, so it's been about a half hour. I've checked on it a couple times, but let's check on it again. Okay, so these are done. These were on the grill, but off the direct heat. It's on indirect heat. I only had half the grill on. Temperature went up to somewhere around 400, I guess. And I might have gone a little bit too long on these. I think I went about 45 minutes, which, yeah, I think it's a little too long. But I just so happen to like my salmon cooked more. This is going to be my piece for dinner. I've got some rice going, and I've got some corn on the cob. So that came off the skin. All right, so that just throw away. And when the rest of my stuff is done, I'll dress this plate. Okay, so that's my dinner. This is definitely a must try. If you don't like salmon, try it this way. I'm telling you, you gotta like it. There's the sweetness from the brown sugar. Then there's that saltiness from soy sauce, and to top it off, you got that ginger that it's just fantastic. So I'm not gonna break into that. I'm gonna take a bite of the other piece because I gotta make a crumble. So, there you go, ready? First thing you taste is the ginger, that little bit of sweetness, and then the soy sauce just, blends it all together. Anyway, this is really good. Definitely got to try it. John Campbell, the Not So Neat Chef.